आज आम्ही सगळे जाण गव्हर्नराक मेळ्ळे आणि गव्हर्नराक सगळ्यो ज्यो गोंयच्यो सोशल प्रॉब्लेम कितें जातलो हो तिचे कडेन डिस्कस केलो आणि त्या शिवाय तिका रिक्वेस्ट केलो टू टेक दीस इशू विथ द प्रायम मिनिस्टर्स ऑफीस एंड मायनिंग डिपार्टमेंट मायनिंग मिनिस्टर्स ऑफीस इन दिल्ली. आमी जो प्रॉब्लेम्स आमकां क्रिएट जातलो ते इश्यूज जे आसा त्याच्या विशीं तिचे कडेन ते इश्यूज दिल्ले आसा.
डिस्कस केला काय? यू हॅव
सबमिटेड मेमोरंडम विथ द इश्यूज वॉट वील हॅपन इन गोवा.
कितें कितें एक एक्झॅक्टली आउटलायन
नाही सांगले ते इश्यूज तुमकां डिटेल जो आसा तो बाब काब्राल तुमकां सांगतलो. कित्याक म्हाका आतां 12 मिटींग आशिल्ली ती आतां 12:30 केल्ली आसा आणि त्या खातीरूच सगळे तुम्ही डिटेल जाय जाल्यार तुमी सांजच्या 7 नंतर मेळा आणि ना जाल्यार गव्हर्नरान आतां ते फुडें धाडपाची आवश्यकता आसा.
सर काल काब्रालान एक म्हटलां की अमेंडमेंट ना जाल्यार सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटान ऑर्डिनन्स हाडचे.
ह्या वेळार ह्यो गोश्टी करप बरोबर न्हय, कारण सुप्रीम कोर्टाचें क्लियर डिसिजन आसा आणि ह्या हेचेर प्रायम मिनिस्टर्स ऑफीस आणि आमचे जे मायनिंग मिनिस्टर्स ऑफीस कितें करता ताजेर हें आसा आणि तातूंत गव्हर्नर ज्या पद्दतीन तांकां बरयता ताजेर सगळें डिपेंड आसा. एट दीस स्टेज आमी कांयच करचे ना जो पर्यंत प्रायम मिनिस्टर्स ऑफीस आणि मायनिंग मिनिस्टर्स ऑफीस जे आसा ते डिसिजन घेतले.
कॅबिनेट हें करतले तुमी?
ते सगळे दुसरो विशय आसा जो आमी तिचे कडेन डिस्कस केला आणि त्या नंतर आमी सांगता.
मातशें ऑपोजिशन कितलें तुमच्या बरोबर आसा सर? कित्याक ऑपोजिशन इम्पॉर्टंट आसा म्हणून.
सी म्हाका ऑपोजिशनाचे हांगा म्हाका लागिल्लें ना. तांकां जाय जाल्यार तांणी येवचें. हो विशय जनरल पब्लिकाचो विशय आसा. आमी ऑक्शन करना हो विशय आमचो नाही बी. आमचो जी फुडें जी मायनी बंद पडटली आतां ऑक्शन केल्यार सुद्दां वर्सभर मायनी बंद पडटली ताजो प्रॉब्लेम मेजर जाल्लो आसा आनी त्या खातीर आमी गव्हर्नराक मेळ्ळ्या पयर नितीनजी गडकरीक मेळ्ळे आनी त्या नंतर परत एकदां आमी रिपीटूय करतले परत मेळपाचें प्रोवायडेड गव्हर्नर जे डिसिजन घेता बेस्ड ऑन दॅट आमी मुखार
दिल्ली.
आत्तां आमी तुमकां कांयच सांगना पूण आमी वेळ पडल्यार आमी वतले.
9 तारखेक कितें अपॉइंटमेंट फिक्स जालें? ऑप्शनाक तुमची हरकत ना तुमी म्हटलें तशें दिसता.
ऑप्शनाक कोणाचोच हरकत ना. 88 लिजांच अजून वचून आसा. जवळ जवळ 200 वयर लिजां आमचे कडेन आसात. बाकीचे ऑप्शन चालू करचे.
एक्सेप्ट दीस. आनी 3 मेंबर मिनिस्टर 3 मेंबर
सर
आयज आमी लायक वास्कोकार लायक वास्कोन लायक मायनींग एफेक्टेड आनी मायनींग डिपेंडंट पीपल आर देर. We have got stewardess, ship agents, we have got barge owners, launch owners, we have got teleclerks, we have got custom agents. We have got all these people who are there. In MPT itself, about 2,600 people are there who will be affected. There are about 5,500 pensioners who will be affected. So about 20,000 people will be affected in the Morgunga Taluka. I is like Madam Malina and I एक delegation lead केले. We have appointed a convener like Guru Thakkar. I'm requesting him to brief you.
Families from Vasco who were born and brought up in Vasco, and all of us got into traditional business which was related to mining and port activity. So for so many years, for generations, 2-3 generations, all of us have been involved in activities with the ships which were coming to the port. Some of us are ship chandlers, some of us are steamer agents, we are also barge owners and also various other stevedores. So for so many years now we have been carrying on this activity. We have trained our staff and all of us are good in custom formalities, port and activities related to mining. Now suddenly we are finding that in 2012 we got our first setback when mining was stopped by the Supreme Court order, and now we are finding that we have again up to 3 years we struggled and we somehow paid the salaries and we managed to sustain for some time. Now for 2-3 years now, 2014 we were very happy to see that mining started again, but suddenly again now we are finding that this new order has come, and because of that we are in a big trouble to sustain our organization, sustain all the people of Vasco who are dependent on mining. So we have all got together as a group and we are approaching all the authorities. Now today we met the governor and we also appraised her of the situation of what is going to happen in Vasco, in the port town and all the surrounding areas, even in the mining areas where people will be out of jobs and they will not have any employment, and it will become like one ghost town and we are all struggling. So we are requesting all the authorities to help us in this and come forward and support us and try to see that mining is restored at the earliest by whatever method, give us some extension till the season ends, then look at long-term solutions. So this is what our lead is from our side. And my other, she has assured that she will talk at her level to various central government, state government, and all the people concerned. She has understood our problem, and she has given us the assurance that she'll look into it on a humanitarian ground. That
See, because these 88 leases were renewed, my members and I had repaired the budgets. Earlier, we were not repairing the budgets because there was no business. Now, since this 88 leases were renewed, we repaired the budgets. Some of my members took loan from the bank. Some of them have sold the gold and repaired their budgets. Some of them borrowed money from the friends and repaired their budgets. And because of this Supreme Court order, everybody is in problem. So we have requested the Goa government as well as the central government not to stop the mining which is going on and to extend it up to 31st. We have submitted a memorandum to the governor also. So we request Goa government and central government not to stop the mining till 31st of December and 31st of May, and to continue with the process and let us start a fresh mining in September.
The Supreme Court has not evaluated as to how many people are dependent on mining. See, they have talked only about the 10 people or 10 mining house groups, houses which are there. But what about the people who are dependent on the mining? Like for example, truck owners are there, we are barge owners, we got barge crew which is about 3,500. We got, as Carlos said, we have got an MPT, 5,000 pensioners are there, 2,500 employees are there. At that shipyard, they have got about 4,000-5,000 workers. So many things are there. And second thing is, the solution has to be that there has to be an ordinance now to be taken out by the government. Okay, that is, with the president has to come out with an ordinance, because 1987, when this mining concessions was abolished by the Mining Abolition Act of Goa, they made a separate act in 1987. That final decision of the Supreme Court on that is not taken place. Last hearing was done in 2002. And that now matter is in front of the 9-judge bench. Okay. Now, when that matter is pending with 9-judge bench, these 2-judge bench, why should they pass an order confirming cancellation of all the mines? That is a problem which is there, which we feel that we have requested her that please highlight it to the President of India that there should be a ordinance required the must. Otherwise, in long term, we will not have a solution. If they want to restart the mining by other means and other sources, it will take hell of a time. It takes 2 to 3 years. Till that time, all of us will not be able to sustain. So Supreme Court order for extension has to be done. They have caught us in the middle of the season. Our season gets over by 31st May. That has to be done. Plus, this thing also. And even now DMG, the Director of Mining and Geology, has passed an order that on 13th the mine should be vacated. When the Supreme Court has said that it should be 15th March, why 2 days before that the mining should be stopped? And 2 days means other 4 lakh tons. That is the business we will get, barge owners will get, or the truck owners will get, or something. We feel that that order is not justified. So we requested Madam Governor that please ask them to stop that order, remove that order, let the thing continue till that time. Let the government approach this thing for extension of time till 31st May, at least till the end of the season. And then an ordinance. That is the best way to sort out this issue at this stage. This is what we feel.